Throw. To send something through the air with your hand. She threw the ball to her brother. He threw the keys onto the table. Toss. To throw something lightly or casually. Toss me the towel. She tossed the coin into the fountain. Hurl. To throw with great force. He hurled the rock into the river. Someone hurled a bottle at the wall. Pitch. To throw, especially in baseball. He pitched the ball perfectly. She pitched the apple into the basket. Cast. To throw deliberately. The fisherman cast his net. She cast a stone into the lake. Sling. To throw with a swinging motion. He slung the rope over the branch. She slung the backpack into the car. Launch. To throw or send with force. They launched a snowball at us. He launched the paper airplane. Chuck. To throw carelessly or forcefully. Chuck the old shoes away. He chucked the bag into the car. Fling. To throw suddenly and with force. She flung her coat on the bed. He flung the door open. Lob. To throw in a high, gentle arc. He lobbed the ball over the fence. She lobbed the grenade into the bunker. Catapult. To launch forcefully. They catapulted rocks over the wall. The toy catapult launched marshmallows. Shoot. To send quickly through the air. He shot the basketball perfectly. She shot the arrow at the target. Flip. To throw with a quick light movement. Flip me the remote. She flipped the pancake into the air. Drop. To let something fall. Drop the letter in the mailbox. She dropped the toy on the floor. Dump. To throw away carelessly. They dumped the trash outside. He dumped his clothes on the chair. Scatter. To throw in different directions. She scattered seeds in the garden. They scattered confetti everywhere. Sprinkle. To throw small amounts over something. Sprinkle salt on the fries. He sprinkled flower petals on the path. Shower. To throw many things over someone. Fans showered the singer with flowers. They showered the winners with confetti. Pelt. To throw repeatedly. They pelted him with oranges. Rain pelted the windows. Flick. To throw with a finger movement. He flicked the coin into the jar. She flicked a crumb away. Ping. To send quickly with a light hit. He pinged the ball across the table. The stone pinged off the metal roof. Volley. To strike before it hits the ground. She volleyed the ball back. He volleyed the shuttlecock over the net. Slam. To throw down forcefully. He slammed the book onto the desk. She slammed the bag on the floor. Pass. To throw to another person. Pass me the football. She passed the frisbee to her friend. Hand. To give directly without throwing. Hand me the scissors. He handed her the notebook. Throw away. To discard something. Throw away the old newspapers. He threw away the broken toy. Snap. To throw quickly with a wrist movement. He snapped the ball to the receiver. She snapped the towel at her friend. Bat away. To knock away by hitting. He batted away the ball. She batted the fly away. Bombard. To attack with many thrown objects. Protesters bombarded the wall with paint. Kids bombarded each other with water balloons. Swat. To hit away forcefully. She swatted the fly away. He swatted the ball over the net. Skip. To throw so it bounces across water. They skipped stones across the lake. She skipped a pebble on the pond. Plunge. To throw downward into something. He plunged the stone into the water. She plunged the anchor overboard.